Asha sat at the foot of a snow-covered ridge in the Hindu Kush, where a cold wind carried whispers of ancient migrations. The mountains, steep and ancient, had seen caravans of traders, armies of conquerors, and shepherds who spoke in languages long since forgotten. They had also borne witness to the countless genetic exchanges that wove people together like threads of a tapestry. As a child, Asha had listened to stories from her grandfather, who claimed their blood carried the memory of empires. Her mother would tell her that their olive skin and dark hair were gifts from Persian soldiers. Her father would tease that his sharp nose was inherited from a Greek ancestor who stayed after Alexander's campaign. Those tales seemed fantastical, but as Asha grew older and went to school, she learned that the stories had a basis in science. The mountains had indeed been a crossroads where South Asian, Central Asian, and even Mediterranean genes met and mingled. One day, a visiting geneticist came to her village and spoke about a project titled Tapestry of the Hindu Kush. He explained how researchers were tracing the genetic saga of the region's peoples. Revealing layers of history through DNA, they found patterns of intermarriage between local tribes and distant warriors. Evidence of migrations during the Kushan Empire, traces of Indo-Iranian and Greek influences. Each gene was a thread connecting Asha's community to ancient empires. Under a night sky, Asha imagined those threads weaving through time. She pictured the mountains as a loom and the stars as guiding hands. In her dream, the threads of her ancestry shimmered with colors representing the different peoples who had met in these passes. Turquoise for the Scythians, gold for the Persians, white for the Greeks, and green for the indigenous tribes. She realized that her own existence was the result of countless stories, battles, and love across centuries. The genetic saga of the Hindu Kush was not just a scientific study. It was a living story of interconnectedness and resilience. A reminder that every human carries within them a tapestry of history.